Hi guys, welcome back if you've been following the journey, and welcome also if you're new here. This is my portfolio on Trading212. It consists mainly of dividend paying companies, and the dividends I receive from these companies I've been reinvesting into the portfolio, into the best value companies at the time. So the portfolio has held up quite well in recent months, and the last time that we was actually in the red in the portfolio was around about May time. So throughout the dips throughout the market since then, we've still stayed in the green, but that was mainly because we bought in when the market was declining through the pandemic. So just want to highlight a few things throughout the portfolio. As you can see here, throughout the last few months we've always been in the green, mainly because we bought in at very good value during lockdown. So we've seen this week that the market has declined quite sharply and has seen our portfolio enter the red for the first time in a long time. So just want to go through the different stocks in the portfolio just so that you can see where we are with them. So if we start with the stocks in the green, so these ones are still holding up. So we've got 3M here, which is a great company. We brought into 3M, as we can see here, back in April. Okay, so April and May time we bought in once again when they was trying to recover from the March lows. So we was going in heavy into these companies, and once again here's Ashtead, done the same with them and up 57% still. So that's why it is paramount in declines like this. As you can see, investing right when people are selling, we're trying to buy to see the best gains that we can here in a portfolio. Obviously the long-term goal is always with dividends in the red or the green. The main focus is dividends, but it helps buying these companies when they are in a red because you get a better yield. So when the market goes down and companies share price goes down, the yield goes up, so you can get a great yield when this decline is happening. So we can see Caterpillar here as well, still up 30% with Caterpillar. These are fantastic dividend paying companies, very strong companies, not that volatile either, and you wouldn't usually see a 30% 40% gain with these type of companies usually in such a short period of time. Same here, Home Depot still up 25% because we brought in, which I'm guessing is around about April time. So we haven't had an opportunity to buy in again to these fantastic companies because they've just been rising since then. So hopefully if it drops a little bit more with these companies, it'll be a great opportunity to add to these positions. Once again, Leggett & Platt up 40% still. This was one of the best stocks in the portfolio gains wise that I've had. So April and May, once again, and still receiving dividends obviously for these stocks also. April, May time was when we bought in right near the bottom here, which has given us a great position in that stock. So looking for value here, guys. So your portfolio also might be in the red, but look for great strong companies that you may not see such a massive upside with them. If you're holding them long term, you definitely will. Companies here like AbbVie have taken quite a beating, most likely adding into those. AT&T also, we're going to average into AT&T. We're not going to go too heavy on AT&T for other reasons, which I'll explain another time. Ashtead, once again, and we bought in a great time there to see fantastic gains. So these companies, some of them haven't dropped that much for us to go heavy in, but you know, companies like Johnson & Johnson, they don't go down much in value. So yeah, these are fantastic opportunities. So just wanted to get a video out, basically just trying to encourage not to panic really and see it as opportunities to get into these great companies. Pepsi, all of these strong dividend paying companies, these are fantastic opportunities, and it does show that you can still make some gains, capital gains wise, with some of these companies if you get in at the right time. Just showing that of Leggett & Platt, Home Depot, but we're fine, we're comfortable being back in the red if that happens. And I'll be sharing with you guys my next round of investments, which will be in a few weeks time. Hopefully, I'm hoping that the market doesn't recover by the time we go to invest again. We're just back out of the red now at 0.24%. So yeah, let me know guys how your portfolio is doing, if it's in the red, if you're still in the green, what stocks you're also looking at, what stocks are you looking at buying, and what stocks have you got your eye on. So yeah, if you haven't already, subscribe so that you can follow the progress and the journey, good and bad, in the portfolio. And yeah, I'll see you soon.